Brody. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? And oh, and you. All right. Well, we got some news that already came out with the GDP, unemployment. We also have Apple earnings today after hours, after the market closes. So that'll be interesting to see. ES is already approaching a resistance. So there we go. So this is interesting. I feel like the market doesn't know where it wants to go. Meta, dude, all the way down to 609. Curious to see what happens with that. We never actually had like that big pullback, so I am curious to see if we hold this. It's actually on my level, 607-ish, 609. So we'll see. Oops. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens for sure. So SPY, I mean, we're literally up here at all-time highs already. Like we've been here, we've been waiting here. As soon as we broke that 712 to 715, kind of same thing back above. And I mean, can take it back below, but it's just choppy, right? I would rather wait for it or find something else that's moving. I mean, we got UNH potential pop and break of this 370.5 that I would like today to 377. That would be pretty crazy. Or below this 363. So I'm going to set that there so we can trade that potential. And then, like I said, Apple has earnings after hours, but it's also, I mean, we're right up there. We're at some resistance here. So we could see, I mean, you can see like nothing's really hot, nothing's too hot. 706 to 703. Can do that. Let's see if we could break that support, but then that's still all a bad zone. So I mean, yeah, it can, but I'd rather just wait for confirmation. Under 703 to 698.5, so on and so forth. Right, you can see 698.5 is a pretty big level. I think once we break that, we should go down to 693. That should be a pretty good drop to that next support after we break this support, right? So this is a good trade, 703 to 698, and this is definitely a good hold for a runner. If not, an add, right? So if we do get that reject, I mean, we could bounce here. We could bounce. There's a mouse. We could bounce here, or we could just break and retest and go. So we watch either way. For SPY, Nvidia, not too bad actually. 212 to 214. Again, I would say to the downside, we break that 207. That would be the best trade to the downside. Right, where's that at? There we go. So downside 207.6. I would like to 203. That'd be a great move on NVIDIA. Or above 212 again to 214. Potentially 217 if we do break that and go. So I feel like NVIDIA will be decent today. AMD, we approached this. Okay, so Asia session for AMD, we came all the way up to this resistance to Monday's highs. And man, we'll see. We'll see what we do here. See if we come target anything in between there. I would just say this is a bounce, potential bounce, right? Even under 332 to 326. It's not bad. 326 to 319, some big moves. It's crazy how like little but big these moves are. So yeah, I like that. It could still bounce around this 338 too. So you just want to watch the supports, see if we break through. We have that little trend right there that we could, you could also wait to see if we break or come back and retest, right? Technically, look at that. It should come, there's GDP. It should come right to here and then bounce again, right? But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Above 349. Damn, that's $5 move right there too. Jeez. I'll take it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll take it. In and out that motherfucker. I'm gonna be in it all week. I'm in and out. I'm probably risking like entry size like 1,000. I'm only risking like 150 to 250 a day. That's all I want to lose. And I like to lose nothing. I like to lose nothing, but I also I like my trendy days. I don't like scalping. So we're in the middle. So we'll see what happens. If we go above 350 to 355 or below, right? We shall see. 332, 4 to 326. I will take that. Here we go. So we got some decent moves coming up. Tesla, man, we're still holding. We're still holding this area. I don't know. There's 2 days straight of consolidation. This is actually like from Thursday, April 23rd. This is a week straight of consolidation in this range. The anticipation is killing me, fam. Just explode up. Just explode up. We'll see. I mean, we're still holding it. That's a good sign. I'm not too worried about it. We have our stops here. Probably 365 would be that stop. So we break that. Maybe go back down, but I still do I like it to the upside. I think above 381 to 385, and then potentially 395. 390, and then 395. So, yeah. I think we should just inverse that whole friggin' thing. I think so. I don't know. I don't know what I'm just saying. We should. Meta. That's gonna be interesting. Probably get rid of that. see. I think, oh man, we really could break above 620 and go 639, bro. Oh, I'm in there. Let's see. I'll risk my money on that. Money market slightly trim bets on June ECB rate hike. Whatever. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Yeah, I risk my money on that. Probably was 632, but I'm gonna risk my money on that one. Yeah. 609 to 596. Oh yeah. So we continue to the downside. Let me see. That's a pretty big. It's pretty big, but I think we should do it. It's the one that we're at right there. Let's see what that is. Balance. And there you go. I'll take that. I'll take that below 6075. That's some big moves. Hood looks like it's bear flagging. Seriously? No shit. All right. Yeah, Microsoft whack. PLTR. I do like that on PLTR. Even if we could take this reject, I'll take it. That'll be our little supply zone right there in between 140.5 and 139.5, right? So that's a perfect dollar. I like that. And yeah, I mean, as far as UNH goes, wait for that. What else? We got he said QCOM yesterday. Absolutely went crazy. Flagged after hours, damn near. Starbies, damn. Damn. There's some good ones. Merc. Oh. Oh, why is that? let's stick with that. We'll just stick with what we got. That was a good swing, that PayPal swing. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get it, y'all. Again, be safe this week. Be safe this week. After this week, we should have some clarity. All right. SPY, we really could just reject here again. We'll see. We'll see how we feel. 702, 703, 698. Just leave it. Low 703. 5 to 698.5 for SPY. But obviously, SPY is at the top. In the video, we can definitely see a push. Above 212.5. We'll say 212.5. That'd be it. Yeah. Above 212.5 to 214. Potentially to 217 if we break above that or below. Below, I like that. I really like that below, honestly. I mean, shit. That'd be a nice move. 207. I'll probably hold everything for that. Like, still go light, but risk it, you know, like hold that whole move. Below 207, 207.5. I hold everything. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Below 207.5. Excuse me. 203. 5. That works. That's clean. So we got some alerts set there. And D. 350 to 355, really. And D above 350 to 355 or below 332 5 to 326. It's a pretty crazy move, 326. All right. All right. Dude, my mouse is so like I don't know why it does that. But all right. SPY, NVIDIA, AMD, Tessie. Come on, Tessie. Above 381 to 385. Ooh. I mean, we're technically already in those, so if you're here, you know what to do with Tesla. I'm gonna put Meta on there. Meta. This is kind of a lot for you guys. This is kind of a lot. Above. I don't give a shit. Oh, you didn't call it. Above 620, 25 to 638. I think that's what's going to happen. Or below 6075 to 597. Which is fire. That's why I'm just setting alerts. I'm just like, fuck it. We got alerts set. Top and bottom on Meta. Only top on Tesla. That's the only one I want to see go off on Tesla. AMD, NVIDIA. So that's it, y'all. That's all I got. That's what I'm watching. Those are my main ones I'm watching for today. Those are my best moves. Wait for an alert to go off. If it looks good, we take it, just like we did the other day. We stopped out, but it looked good, right? So, I mean, if you were there yesterday, we had previous day low that got swept. Boom. Took this retest, entered a little early, and then that next candle broke through it, but I was like, we're still in the zone, so we're good, and then instant stop out. Got done raw dog right there, and was out. And then it just fucked around in that area, so it was just straight chop, right? This was continuation, right? You see how this is the exact opposite? I'll throw you some free game right now. This is the exact opposite way, right? So we took that or could have taken this retest on the break to the downside, right? So since the same thing happened, right? This is a bearish fair value gap that it came into and then dropped. So it was like, okay, cool, we can do that here, but it didn't work. Therefore, one and done. How do you post market hour back like that? Oh, down here. Extended trading hours. So look, if you do Alt Shift E. Boom. This is regular hours. Then go Alt Shift E. Extended. Regular, extended. It makes a difference in the charts for sure. La, da, 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 da. So they get extended for pre-market levels. Yeah, that tells you your Asia and your London sessions. Some people don't look at them. Some people do look at them. I like looking at them. It helps me, especially with SPY. And then, I mean, London highs and London lows are definitely a thing. I don't only play off that, but that's a great indicator to help you determine whether we want to push up or down, or if we just swept one to go back and get the other. You know, there's a lot you can do off of it. So Yeah. But all right, y'all. Keep that in mind. Again, let's be patient. Let's kill it. Wait for that. Wait for that trade. Proper risk management. Let's go.